Hi, I'm Kit from New Media Design here in Christchurch. I've been building websites for over 20 years, and the most common question I get from clients is, how much does a website cost? The honest answer for Christchurch businesses is a basic website is going to cost you between $2,000 and $5,000. A professional website between $5,000 and say $15,000, and an e-commerce somewhere between $10,000 and anywhere up to $30,000. But the question is, do you want a website that just looks nice or one that actually brings you customers? A lot of businesses think that they want the cheapest option, and then 6 months later they're frustrated because their phone isn't ringing or nobody can find them online. Without strategy, a website is just an online brochure. But with a strategic approach, your website becomes a business tool that helps you convert website visitors into customers. That's the difference between spending money on a website and investing in one that actually pays you back. So the question isn't so much how much does it cost, but what will this investment do for my business?